the trusses have arrived and today we're going to put them up, but this morning I got to start with cleaning up the water. So I've already removed the sandbags over here and I've been using the dry, wet, dry vac, whatever that thing is, and sucking up all the water. And then I started sucking some up here. I'll continue to vacuum it all up and then move these sandbags so it can all dry. Oh, and I ripped the tarp down, as you can see. That way the sun will hopefully dry it all up today. And then we will get, hopefully, all of these or most of these trusses on. I have both generators going, that's why it's so loud, because I'm doing laundry on the small generator and vacuuming on the big generator. This thing here sucks a lot of power, so got to get it cleaned up though. So hopefully we can get the trusses put on today. Takes a while when it's just the two of you building. Luckily we work out and weight train, or else it would make it even harder, because a lot of this is like heavy lifting, so we got to lift it up over these. That'll be fun. Anyway, you'll get to watch and see what we do. So today we're going to work on sheathing some of this side in. We have, I don't know if I showed you or not, the roof trusses here. They're cathedral trusses. Unfortunately, the person who did the order didn't get us a gable end. So now we have to wait another couple of weeks for that to get here. So we'll hopefully get these trusses up maybe Tuesday. Tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment like 2 hours away, and then we got things to do. We'll go visit Jeremy's sister. She's still in the hospital. So that kind of kills all day tomorrow. But maybe Tuesday we can start putting up some of those trusses.
Alrighty, so let's see here. We ran out of sheathing, so we got this sheath here, and we just got to get another piece or two to finish this up. We might just, yeah, got to get just a little more for this. Over here though, this far wall is done. That's my theater wall. I want to get a projector and project onto that wall because it's blank. So I can sit over at the fire. You can see it behind that ladder. And then look at this wall. Watch a movie outside. Or fights. Or hockey. Or baseball. Or something fun. And then this wall, also done. And then the door here, that's the opening for the door. That'll go over to the wood pile. And that'll be awesome. So, oh, I don't know if I ever said this. But from here, that door, we're going to do a wraparound deck about 4 feet out. From there, there'll be a set of stairs there. The whole way around. Around here. Around here. And around here. Over to this door here. And then that door will have like a mudroom closed in as well. But we're going to do a wraparound deck around the whole thing. We're not at that point yet, but it's going to be cool. And then see, we're ready for the trusses. They just got them sitting here. And we'll put those up soon. So, if you're new, like, subscribe. If you're not new, like. And hit the bell for notifications. Yeah. And thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next one. What's going on? Say hi. No? They just want their supper.